Welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make 3 recipes that I got from a Facebook group that I'm in, and once I saw these recipes I just knew I had to try them and show them to you guys. The first is going to be bacon wrapped sushi. The second will be chicken teriyaki with broccoli. The third is going to be keto toffee for dessert. I'm so excited to try these and they're going to taste so good. I am enjoying making these videos so much. Do me a favor, and if you like them too, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to the kitchen. I cannot wait to show you how to make this bacon wrapped sushi. It's going to be so good and it's so easy. The ingredients that we're going to use is bacon. We've got cream cheese, cucumber, and carrots. And then for garnish, we've got sesame seeds. Oh, we also need an avocado. The first thing we're gonna do is start our griddle. Let's start the griddle. This thing is awesome. If you're interested, I will post the link in the description below. All right, I'm gonna check the temperature and then we'll go ahead and get that bacon on. We're about 350 degrees. That will work perfectly well. All right, let's get the bacon on. We want to cook the bacon until it is slightly crisp but still pliable. It's looking good. Some of the bacon looks like it's ready to come off, so I'll go ahead and put it on a plate that's been lined with paper towels. These are still finishing up. The nice thing about this is we'll get to use the bacon grease to cook the chicken and give it even more flavor. We're gonna take the last of the bacon off. We're gonna let these cool so we can start prepping the sushi rolls. All right, now that our bacon is cooled, we have everything set up. The last thing we need to do is cut our avocado. I have a ripe avocado, and the way we are gonna cut it is you slice all the way around. Be careful with the knife. I have this really cool tool that we're gonna put in and press. It gives us our avocado slices. Alright, now take a piece of bacon, take your cream cheese, spread it on the bacon, take a few of the carrots, cucumbers, avocado. I'm going to roll it up. Place it on a plate. All right, to finish them off, we're just going to give a sprinkle of sesame seeds. All right, these are all done. You can set these aside and serve it to your guests as they arrive. It's a great appetizer. Let's give it a try. Well, if you like cream cheese, carrots, and cucumber, then you'll like these. All right, confession. I really only like bacon of all the ingredients that are in here, but they actually taste pretty good. I'm not a big fan of cucumber, but I will tell you, it brings a coolness about it, and it tastes pretty good. I'll even have another one to show you how much I like it. Now we're gonna make our keto chicken teriyaki. It's going to come together so quickly. Let's go ahead and start that griddle up again. We're gonna reuse some of that bacon grease to give it more flavor. For this recipe, you will need cut up chicken, broccoli, soy sauce, monk fruit, apple cider vinegar, garlic, and ginger. While the griddle's heating up, we're gonna go ahead and put our teriyaki sauce together. To our 3/4 cup of soy sauce, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of monk fruit and stir that in. To that, we will add our apple cider vinegar, our garlic, and our ginger. Just whisk that till it's combined and set it aside. We've got our griddle on and we're going to check the temperature, and it is about 400 degrees on each of the surfaces. So we are going to go ahead and get our chicken on and our broccoli. First things first is we put down our oil. Spread that out evenly. And to this we'll add salt and pepper. A lot of the seasoning is going to come from the teriyaki sauce, but we'll go ahead and season our meat. And to the other side, let's go ahead and add our broccoli. We don't want to cross-contaminate, so I have put one spatula over here on this side, and I've got the other one that I've already used with raw chicken on the other. It's time to flip the chicken and season the other side. We'll also go ahead and stir our broccoli and add some water to get it to cook up and soften. We're looking for that color right there. Let's give our broccoli a stir, and then we'll add some water. See how it steams it up? Now that the chicken and the broccoli are both cooked, we're going to combine them together and add our sauce. Alright guys, it's coming together. It looks almost done. We'll go ahead and plate this up and give it a taste test. It looks so good. Get all this into a bowl. It looks so good. Let's see if it tastes good. I'm going to, let's try the chicken first, and then we'll go and try the broccoli. It's so tender and flavorful. It's really good. This soy, it tastes just like teriyaki sauce. The soy sauce obviously brings a lot of flavor and salt. It tastes so good. If you're on a diet, this is definitely the way to go. You will not miss that takeout Chinese food. On to the broccoli. It's cooked to perfection, and it takes on the same flavor because of the soy sauce that we used. It is delicious. It tastes just like I was in a Chinese restaurant. This is a must try. If you're getting value out of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know about you guys, but I am craving some chocolate. We're going to whip up some toffee, and it's going to be so good and so easy. Let's make some keto toffee. As you can see, I just slid my flat top griddle right out of the way. To get started, we'll go ahead and melt the butter. While the butter's melting, you want to get a cookie sheet, line it with foil, and spray it really good with vegetable oil. Now that the butter has melted, I'm gonna add the chopped nuts. You can use any type of nut that you want. I'm using almond, but you can use pecan or walnuts as well. Give this a good stir. You'll want to cook it until it's golden brown and toasted. This should take about 3 minutes. I'm excited about this. Now that this is cooked for about 3 minutes, let's go ahead and you can see that the color has changed. Let's go ahead and add our sugar in. We're adding in our monk fruit. This is what makes it keto. Give that a quick stir, and then we're gonna add in all but 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Don't be surprised if this cooks up and boils. We're gonna let this cook for a few more minutes until it thickens up. It could take up to 10 minutes. Starting to get a good caramel color. We're gonna let it continue to cook and thicken up. You really wanna continue to stir this because it will burn on the bottom. At this point, you really wanna keep a close eye on it because you do not want it to burn. You do want it to get a dark color, this dark brown color, but don't let it burn. So to this, now that I've turned the heat off, we're gonna add a pinch of salt, give that a good stir, and then the remaining tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Stir that in really well. Have your lined foil pan nearby so you can just pour it in. Okay. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until it hardens. I've put down a towel to protect the glass because this is really hot. So we'll leave this for 30 minutes. While the toffee mixture is cooling, we're gonna go ahead and melt our dark chocolate. Smile more. We're gonna break this up to help it melt quicker. It is starting to come together. Look how smooth and silky that is. It's almost done. It is perfectly done. Look how silky and smooth that is. It's ready. Okay, so this has cooled and hardened. So we're gonna add 1 layer of chocolate right on top, only half of the chocolate mixture that we just created. I'll tell you what to do with the other half. We're only gonna add half of this mixture. Yep. Spread that out as evenly as possible. Yep, you wanna get a good coat on all of the toffee. And so we will get that chocolate spread out just like that. Okay, this is gonna go back in the refrigerator, or you can put it in the freezer, and then I'll tell you what to do next. Put that in the freezer for a few minutes until the chocolate is solid. Let's check on the dessert. Oh yes. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip this over and remove the backing of the tinfoil. We're gonna remove the tinfoil, put it back down, and get rid, this will happen. Just get rid of all of it, it's pretty easy. For the final step, we're gonna pour the remaining chocolate on top of the toffee. If you need to heat your chocolate back up, feel free to give it just a few minutes heating up and stirring it. So you'll just pour it over the top. And then same thing as the other side. You will smooth it out. And get a good coating all over. So you see how it's coming together like toffee? Smooth silk chocolate. There you go. We're gonna put this back in the freezer just for a few more minutes until it completely cools and hardens, and then we get to eat it. Pro tip, if you have any strawberries in your fridge and any remaining chocolate, you can have some chocolate covered strawberries. Keto friendly. All right guys, let's check on the final product. Oh yeah. We got a very good layer of chocolate on the side. I've got a good amount of chocolate and yummy toffee with our almonds, and then there's a layer of chocolate on the bottom too. It tastes like toffee. If you're on keto, this is a must. You will not miss that chocolate bar. If you're getting value out of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Some of them look like they're ready. Look a frog. Some. Oh gosh. Okay. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. As you can see, I just slid my flat top griddle right out of the. Ready? As you can see, I just slid my fat.
The fat griddle.
Ready?
Go.
It's Willy Wonka. I found the golden ticket. I've got a golden ticket.
2, fart.
Let's check on the dessert. Let's check on the dessert. All right, ready?